The second news that we find in the last few days is regarding the protest done by the students in Bangladesh, especially Dhaka. And we know that in the last few days, there are tens of thousands of students who have taken to the streets of Dhaka as well as other parts of Bangladesh against the unjust job quota, 30% of job quota, job reservations for the people who have been veterans in the 1971 war. And the students say that this quota is actually unjust and it is denying the rights to the merit people. And there are various reports. According to BBC, one report says that 26 people have been killed, the other says 32 people have been killed. According to Guardian, there are more number of people killed. According to BBC, there are 67 people being killed, and we can safely say that dozens of Bangladeshis have been killed in this protest. And we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He give Jannat al-Firdaus to those people who have been fighting for the truth. And we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He give the officials the hikmah and may they solve this problem amicably and see to it that peace prevails and this killing is stopped and violence is stopped. And we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that let peace prevail back in Bangladesh as soon as possible.